Hello guys, welcome to AutoCAD 2016 video tutorials. In this video I will explain you how to provide dimensions and also how to modify them. Right now I'll open my saved file. So this is gonna take a little bit of time in order to open. Here you go. So these were the figures that we drew from the sheet. Okay, so in order to provide dimensions, what we'll do is we'll go to dimension over here, or you can give dim command. Select this. Now select this corner and up to this corner. Here you go. But you see the text is very small that it is not even visible, and also the arrows. So we need to modify this text. First we'll go to annotation, standard. Here we go, manage text styles. Okay, so when you see this window, directly come to the height window, select 2, select apply, select close. Now you can close, delete this, and once again apply a new dimension. Here you go. See, it's visible right now. Okay, I will do for other dimensions. And what else do we need? We need 60 at the left side and also at the bottom. Okay, right now you can see the text saying 20 feet kind of. And now in order to increase the size of the arrows, what you have to do is you can just go to annotation again, select standard under the second row. Now select manage dimension styles, select modify. So a new window opens. In here you can see all the preferences being provided for that line. Here you go, symbols and arrows. Here you can increase the arrow size, say for example 2. Okay, let it be 2. Select OK, select close, and right now you can see the arrows. Before that it was almost invisible. Okay, so in this way you give manage dimension styles. I will do for this one, then I will draw these 3 figures. So it says 20 20 20 20 20 40 50. Okay, let's do it. 40 50 20 20 20 20. This will be 10. Okay, and also if we can modify the decimal digits of that, you just need to go back to the manage dimension styles, select modify. Let's see, here you go, primary units, select precision as 0.0. Okay, now going to text, let us see fill color. That's better. So giving the dimension text a color is better. Here you go. In text color, select red. Now you can select OK, select close. You see it's been showing red color. That's way better in order to differentiate the text and dimensions, everything else. And let's see what we have else in the menu. So we need to draw this. As you can see, this is 80 dimension and 15, 10 and also 10, and then over here 20. So we'll start from the base saying 80 and then upwards saying 15, then sidewards saying 20, and then again 40, and then again 20, and then I will touch it down. I'll select escape. Now I'll select again line command and I will create line from this 20 mark, since as you can see we have here 20, 20, 20. My mistake, that's not 20, that's 10. I'll just delete this. I'll select a line, select 80, select upside as 15, sideways as 10, okay. Give us 60, and also now give us 10, and then finally touch it to the bottom. Okay, select escape now. Now again selecting line command, I'm going from here 10 and over here 10 and again over here 40 10. I don't know what this side, same again 10, and you need to touch it to the end. Okay, now we can select escape. The same procedure follows again. 10, 10, remaining distance is 20, again 10, you just paste, select it to the bottom, select escape. Now as per figure, as you can see, we are just left with now this big portion, and right now we don't have any distance over there, so let us select it as 40. Select line, select here, select 40, select 20 and touch it to the bottom. Okay, here you go. That looks good. Now giving the dimensions as per our figure, we have 80, 15, 10 and 10 over here and 20. Let us do it. Dimensions, (15) 10 10 over here, 20 over here, 15 over here. What do we have more? We have one more 10. Here you go, 10 over here. In this way dimensions are done. Now moving on to the next figure, let's see this figure. So it has a 20 length line over here, and let's say this is as you see, this is 40 and over here we have 15, and let's say this has 80, then we don't know what's the length. Let us select some length as 100. Let's draw it, it's better that way. First I will draw 20 in this direction, and then I'll go for 80 in this direction. Then as per figure, I will go in upward direction as 20, and then I will connect to the end. So we are done with this square. Now we'll do this one, 40 by 15, and that is exactly at a 45 distance from there. So let me select 40 distance and let us go upside exactly 40, let's say, and then over this side as 15, and then downside as 40. Now select escape. Okay, we are almost done with half part. Now let's select this length as 80 and this will be 10. Select 80 and give downwards as 10. And now connect it to the end. Okay, now going for the other part, let's say it extends to 30, and then this is 40 by 10. As usual, 10 upside, selecting it to the end, hit escape, select line, 40, selecting 10, selecting 40, select escape. So we are done with the figure. Now going for the dimensions, we have dimension over here 15, 40, whatever that is, 30, 15, 40, 30, oh, I have selected as 20. That's fine. I mean, you can rectify the mistakes. And over here we have this distance, and over here this distance, and this distance. So let me select this distance, this one, and finally this one. Okay, here you go with your figure. Now moving on to the next figure. The last figure in this video tutorial. You see there's a 40 by 30, and then we have something over here. This doesn't look like 30. Okay, that should be 80 probably, since this 40 needs to be accommodated. And let's say this is 20 and this is 20, and this will rise till this exactly at the center. So first I will do a thing. I will draw a rectangle of 40 by 80. Select a line, select 80, then I will go downside 40, then I will go 20, and again I will go 20, and again I will go 20, and again I will go 20. Oh, looks like this. Select 20. Okay, now again select 20. Looks like I have increased. Okay, let me do one thing from here. 40. Here you go, we are almost done. Now we are looking for the bottom part. Let's search 20, 40 and 20. Okay, so here you go, 20, 40, and up here you go. And let me select a line saying a height of 20. Okay, and then I can connect it back over here again on the other side also. Okay, now we are almost done with the figure, but we don't have lines over here, you see. So what do I do? So I'll use a trim command. I'll select I'll use trim command. I'll select the entire figure and hold on a second. Looks like this cannot be trimmed since it is so since it does not intersect with the ends, it cannot be trimmed. So what we'll do is we'll just select this individual lines. Okay, I got it, why it wasn't able to trim. Okay, so let me do one thing. I'll show you trim how to do it. I'll show you trim how to do it in next class probably. Select delete. Okay, so here's your figure and going to the dimensions. So we have it over here, over here, over here, and over here. Okay, I'm sorry. So here you go, as per figure. Now this is just a little bit of extra exercise. Let me check it once. Now selecting trim, selecting whole, selecting giving right click. Okay, here you go. I have trimmed that, yeah. Don't worry about it, I will explain it in the next class. Thank you for watching the video.